Hey y'all, so I received in my motion sensor light, my solar motion sensor light. Super excited to put it outside right now next to my trash can. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through how easy it is to put it together and install it and give you my opinion on it. Let's take a look. Alright, packaged pretty nicely and securely. I don't have any tools with me right now, but it definitely looks like it's going to need some sort of a drill. You've got the pieces right there, so that looks really well put together. Let's look for some instructions. There we go. Let's do this unedited stuff. You've got medium light mode, dim light, sensor mode, and sensor mode, which I think we want to do sensor mode. Installation, choose the lighting mode according to your need and slide the switch. Choose a place that can get enough sunshine to install, and use the provided wall plug and screw to mount the device. That makes sense. So I want to do the sensor mode. The product charges in the day, auto turns on bright light and darkness, or at night when motion is detected. Okay, sweet. Number 3 it is. So I'll come here. On the back, it's got a little piece of protected tape. Good. And I'm gonna toggle it. It's got the 3 different modes. If you can see them there, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna toggle it over to 3 so that it is on motion sensor. Look at that, it's already on. I don't know if you can see it, but it's bright. That's fantastic. Next step is gonna go install it on the fence. So I mean, really the piece right here is all I need, and because I want to install it on the fence, I really don't need the anchor either. I just need the screw. So that's exciting. Let's go do that.
These batteries, Mama.
It does not. It's solar, so the sunshine is going to shine in there, and then at night, whenever it senses motion, it'll turn on. Alright y'all, so I'm going to check out and see if the light works because it's dark now, so walk over here with me. Let's see what we got. I'm going to go like a little bit further out and see if I can come down my path and see if it'll turn on, okay? Here we go. Whoa, that worked out great. Heck yeah. Nice and bright right here at the edge of my fence that I can grab the latch and get into my trash cans. So super cool, very excited for the price tag. You can't beat it. And I think I'm gonna like grab a couple more because I'm wondering if on the inside of my fence, if I can see my trash cans over here. I really can't, so I'm gonna put one on this second side. Very cool, very excited product. Way to go.